for a portable worktop concession storage bin. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 15 inches. A depth of 28.5 inches. And a height of 20 inches tall. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. Located below will be the swing door with a compartment used to store your products. Measurements for the interior will include 27 inches in depth, 14.5 inches in length, by 14 inches high. Located on the top left corner is a magnetic tab. So after closing the door, it will remain shut. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.